I was gonna say good morning. It's the afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon, hell, good night, good evening, whenever you are watching this here video. Want to say happy 4th of July. Let's see some fireworks in the comments. They are against the law here, so, but the fairgrounds is really like not far from us, so like we could still see them like from my bedroom window. And the neighbors, you know, they be a little illegal and stuff, so we always get a little fireworks show right there, so we don't really have to go far. But yeah, fireworks in the comments for the 4th of July. And so listen, so for my haul today, you guys, I will be doing Walmart and Target. I needed 15 offers, I want to say, for my weekend, and then I need just over that to finish off the larger bonus. So I'll be hitting them both today, which is awesome. And so if you're new here, though, if you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. I haven't did a Pow Pow in a long time. Pow Pow Pow. Definitely take a second to subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button for Joe. So we're gonna head to Walmart first, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab there, and then we're gonna swing over to Target and see what they got going on. So if you want to see what you got, you need to do, keep on watching. All right, so this first deal is on the Jimmy Dean's on the 2-count biscuits. They are priced at $5.22. So for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You end up paying $10.44. You'll get back $5 for buying 2 on Swagbucks, and you'll get back a total of $2.50 on checkout 51, bringing them down to $1.47 per box. And I believe the limit on this for Swagbucks is a limit of 2 submissions, so you can grab 4 on 1 receipt, and then get back the $1.25 times 4 also on checkout 51. And so yeah, not a bad deal. Okay, just a reminder on the Ethel's treats bars. They're $5.97. Actually, a few of you guys said that these are really good. I mean, I think one of you guys said they wasn't good, but a lot of you guys said they're actually really good. Once you let them get room temperature. So grabbing 1 at $5.97, you'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta. 2 on aisles makes it $2.47. All right, next up is the Progresso Pitmaster. They are priced at $2.58. Getting back $1 on Fetch, 50 cents on Ibotta makes them $1.08. And the limit on Fetch is a limit of 3. All right, so we're going to be grabbing the Pop-Tart Girl Scouts. This is the only store that carries it in a 16-count. It's priced at $4.97. You're getting back $12 on Flavor Wiki, making it a $7.03 moneymaker. So next up is the Pleasy. So I actually found some more of the hang tags. There is some back there. Oh, there's one right there. All right. So it looks like this, 75 cents off of 1. It's scanned in self-checkout, which is good. You'll pay $92, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta makes them 17 cents. I did do 4 yesterday because the coupon limit is a limit of 4 here at Walmart. And so, yeah. All right, next up is the Celsius. They are on rollback for $197. I did this deal at Vons. Literally, it was like the last day of the sale. I just happened to be checking Fetch. And I saw the offer, and then I also saw that they were $1.25. And so I ran and grabbed it, maxed it out, in fact. And so for this, if you're grabbing it here at Walmart, they're $197. So you want to grab a total of 3 of them. The total is going to come to $5.91. You'll get back $3 for buying 3 on Fetch Reward. Brings them down to 97 cents each. But like I said, I got them from Vons, and I grabbed a total of 9 altogether, and it made them 25 cents each, which is an awesome deal. And I'm not even really a big Celsius drinker, to be honest, but 25 cents, I'm sold. Right, next up is the Hillshire Snacking. It's on the dips and spreads. Priced at $2.97. For this, you're grabbing a total of 2 of them. So it's going to come to $5.94. We'll get back 75 cents for each on checkout 51, $3 on Swagbucks. Makes them 72 cents each. And I haven't tried these yet, so I'm going to hold off until I at least try the ones I have to see if they're any good. So yeah, not a bad deal. All right, so next up is the Caesars warm bowls. This just popped up on Fetch Reward. They are priced at $2.94. And then we're going to grab 1. We'll be getting back $3 on Fetch Reward. Makes it a 6-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. So we're definitely going to go ahead and max it out and grab 3. And of course, we still have a pretty good deal on the Arm& Hammer boosters. They are priced at $5.44. You want to grab a total of one of them. The limit on Ibotta is a limit of 3 though. You'll get back $3.50 for each one, bringing them down to $1.94 each. All right, so look, this deal here is on the off. It's in the travel section. It's priced at $4. It does work for Ibotta. Now, I know that checkout 51, there's $1, and there's also one on Swagbucks as well. It does not scan on Swagbucks for me, and it does exclude the trial size, so I'm not really sure if it's gonna work or not, and so I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, just a reminder too, I forgot about these. I wonder if the $2 coupon is still scanning for these. I think I'm gonna try a couple and see if it works, but these are $1.97. The $2 coupon adjusts down to that, making it free. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these and see if the Pilly is still working on the travel size ones. So yeah. All right. And so next up is the Vital Fusion. It's on the women's multis. They are priced at $7.97. We're grabbing 2 of them, and that total is gonna come to $15.94. I'll be using 2 of these $3 printables from coupons.com. They did not scan in self-checkout for me. They did scan with the regular cashier though. So that total is going to come to $9.94. Getting back $7 for buying 2 on Tada and $2 for each on Ibotta makes it $1.06 money maker. Next deal is on the Happy Cow. We did go over this in the last video. It is priced at $10.23. Getting back 50% on aisles, which is $5.11, and $3 on Ibotta makes it $4.12. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the Back Team Max. I did see Nicole post this over on Instagram. So I'm going to give you 2 different scenarios. I think she was getting the Back Team, but it's priced a little more here. But I do see $3 hang tags. So grabbing 2 of these priced at $6.58. The total is going to come to $13.16. Using 2 of the hang tags, we'll take off 6. You'll pay $7.16, and then you get back $2.99 for each one on Ibotta, which is $5.98, and then $3.25 for buying 2 on Fetch, making them both free plus a $2.07 moneymaker. The other option is to grab 2 of the sprays priced at $5.98 using 2 of the $3 hang tags. You end up paying $5.96, getting back $175 times 2 on Ibotta, which is $3.50, and then again $3.25 for 2 on Fetch, making them both free plus a 79-cent. So this first deal is on the Watermelon water. It's priced at 2 for $6. Now I'm going to give you 2 options that you can do. First one is to grab one at $3.79. You'll get that back through aisles. I'll have a link in the description or in the Google Doc. You'll also get back $2 on Ibotta, would make it a $2 moneymaker. Or if these are your thing, you can grab 2 for $6. You'll get back 3 on aisles and 4 on Ibotta, so it'd make both of them a $1 moneymaker. I've never tried these, so we're just going to go ahead and just grab one and make it a $2 moneymaker. So I think I'm going to go ahead and grab the Cleveland Kitchen deal again. We're going to grab the sauces. They are on sale for $3.99. You'll get back 3 on Ibotta, makes them 99 cents each, limit of 2. And then as far as the jalapeno pickle one, that one, the offer on Ibotta is $2.50. So still not a bad deal. I have 3 of those at home. I haven't tried any of these yet. Let me just say that. Now I would check Merryfield, see if you still have offers there. I don't. And then I will also throw in the link for aisles as well if you haven't did that yet. So next up is the Jeff. Was Jeff always with 1 F? Because I don't know why in my head I feel like it was 2 Fs before. Anyways, it's on the Jif peanut butter and chocolate spread. They are on sale 2 for $5. And then we have an offer on Fetch Reward, $1.50 back with a limit of 2, so you get back 3, making them only $1. So we did get Flavor Wiki surveys again for the Pop-Tarts. It's the same exact flavors, same sizes, and it looks like Target has the cheaper price, the 8 count, and so they only have 2. And we're gonna grab this one here, which is the lemon blueberry crumble. We're also going to be grabbing the frosted cinnamon roll as well. So the 2 is going to come to $5.58. I do have this sour off of 2 Pilly I got from Vaughn's last week, And so that's going to bring that total down to $4.58 out of pocket. Then you'll get back $12 for each on Flavor Wiki, making them both a $19.42 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Tropicana. It's on the lemonade. You want to grab one of the lemonades, either classic or strawberry. They're priced on sale for 2 for $4, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta, bring them down to $1 a piece. So this next deal is on the A&D. So I see that they have the anti-chafing one for $4.47. I'm not sure if it's going to work for Fetch Reward, but if you grab one at $4.47, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. If you get back the 2, it would make it a 3-cent moneymaker, and I think the limit on Fetch is a limit of 3. I'm gonna see if they have a different one. Scan this one right here on Ibotta. It's $5.69, and it's only working for a 50-cent offer on Ibotta. And this purple one, the overnight healing one, is $6.49. Getting back 50% or $3.24 on Ibotta. If it works for Fetch, getting back 2 there would make it $1.24. I think I'm gonna take my chance and get this smaller one. I'll submit it to Fetch Reward before I leave here. I'll let you guys know how that works out. This last deal that I'm gonna grab is on the OptiFree eye contact solution. It's priced at $9.49, and right now 15% off of eye care would bring that down to $8.07. And then we have a $4 Target Circle digital as well. You'll pay $4.07. It's also $4 back on checkout 51, making this only 7 cents. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out really, really good. I did hit both my bonuses. I only had a couple things. The Pop-Tarts, my Peely, I didn't realize it expired on the 1st. So I did pay an extra $1 for that deal, but it's still an $18 moneymaker. I am not complaining. Plus we did Pop-Tarts, the Girl Scout ones on my account as well as Joseph. So that's a $14 moneymaker for both of those. Now I'm not including the A&D because I did correct the receipt. So I'll have to see what happens with that, but I did not count it, and I unclipped the offer for Ibotta so I wouldn't get credit for it just in case I have to take it back. The back teen. So I was reading through Nicole's comments on that deal because the coupon, it reads a little funky. It said $3 when you pipe $3 on 2 different, or something like that. And somebody in the comments was asking if it would work. Somebody said it did work for them. I was kind of like, okay, it may or may not work. I went to self-checkout. It scanned for $1.50 for each one. The second coupon didn't scan. Did the math really quick and realized, it's still not a bad deal, less than $1 for 2 of them. And I still needed another offer for to hit my bonus on Ibotta. So I went ahead and grabbed it anyways. And with the coupons, I still got credit for that. The Vital Fusion on Ibotta, I'm not sure if that one excluded the coupon, but I used it. I still got credit for that. Again, that printable didn't work for me in self-checkout. I had to go to a regular cashier. I know last time, eventually, it started to work in self-checkout. I even covered that smaller QR barcode situation, and it still didn't scan. As far as the OptiFree, that on checkout 51, I did get credit for that, even though I used that Target Circle. So that was only 7 cents. As far as Fetch was pretty fire today. The Jeff went straight through, no problems. The Pitmaster went through, no problems. The Warm Bows went through, no problems. Celsius, I had to correct that receipt. Again, I was at Vaughn's, and I basically grabbed 3 different flavors. It did miss 2 cans, so I had to add 2 cans, and then I got credit. I decided to not get the sauces, the kitchen sauces or whatever. I decided to go ahead and just get 4 of the Tropicanas because I was like, there's a higher chance I'm going to drink that. And so I didn't do that deal. As far as our receipts, there's all of our receipts for today. I'm going to probably knock out my Pop-Tart surveys probably when I finish this video. The watermelonade or whatever, that offer on aisles, it did process already. I'm just waiting for it to hit my PayPal. I wanted to answer a couple questions really quick as far as Flavor Wiki. You can get all of the offers on one receipt if you want. It is size restricted, so you have to get a specific size. Now, when I did the Rice Krispie in my last haul, the little single bar, I thought it said 3 ounce, but I guess it said 1.3 ounce. And I was just like, what is that? A little tiny one out of the box? I don't know. Anyways, I didn't get credit for that on either account. Yeah, with those offers, make sure you get the one that it says. All you can do with Flavor Wiki is just check it frequently. That offer popped up this morning at like 3 o'clock, I want to say. That's when I get up at 2, when I checked it at 3. And so with that being said, let's kind of breeze through this. Everything you see here retails $115.66. We had $16 in coupons. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $99.66, and then my sales tax was $4.31. From Flavor Wiki, we're getting back $36. Ibotta, we're getting back $35.48. Bet Your Word is $27.25. Tada is $7. Checkout 51, $6.50. I did cash out for PayPal for $5.50. I'm telling y'all, if you have PayPal and you have a PayPal card, you're missing out. I got back $5 from Swagbucks. Actually, you know what? Swagbucks, I haven't submitted the receipt for the chicken biscuits yet because I'm still waiting for my Checkout 51 receipt to process. Once it processes, then I will submit the Swagbucks, and I'm hoping that everything is still good, and that's just how I do Swagbucks and Checkout 51. Swagbucks first, wait for it to clear, wait for them to say, hey, Shay, here's your money, boo, and then submit it on the other app. And then last but not least was Aisles at $3.79. Getting back a total of $126.52 makes everything you see here free, plus a $26.86 moneymaker, which is really awesome, considering it's not a humongous haul, but we got some good stuff here for sure. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy your 4th of July. Be safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.